Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, your girl got something good for you today. You know, Urban Decay came out with a new naked palette. And if you want to see my thoughts, a little demo, you keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah, check out Lori's life.
Alright, y'all, let's get into this palette. It's the Naked Ultraviolet palette. It's a purple heavy palette. It has some beautiful shades in it, and y'all, I just want to give you a quick demo and let you guys see what I did. I went in with the color Hack, and I just used it as a transition shade, if I can talk, and put it all over the lid. And then I went in with the color Euphoric, and I just had put that right up under my crease area, and I just built it up. Guys, you do have to be a little careful because there is some fallout with this palette, but you know, just do your eyeshadow beforehand. And then I used the color Warning, and I added that right up under my crease line. Guys, I enjoyed this palette, and you can see that the colors will be, you know, you could build them up. And then for my outer V, I just went in with that purple dust, which is really pretty. I wish it would have been a matte. But y'all, that's basically all I did with this eye, except for the end part. Y'all ready for this part? My favorite color out the whole palette, you won't believe it, is Lucid. Oh my god, it is gorgeous, y'all. It's one of them shifting colors. It's absolutely beautiful. And after that, I just put on some eyeliner and mascara and all that good stuff and finished my whole face. And I just wanted you guys to see, you know, what you could actually do with this palette. And then here's the swatches, so you can see what they look like on dark skin. And then I also went outside and gave you a view so you could see how they look in the natural light. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, y'all, you guys got you some swatches. You got a quick little demo on how I got this eye look. Now let's talk about the palette. Let me show you the swatches again. Here's the swatches, just in case. Those are the swatches. Now let's talk about this palette. Packaging, oh my gosh, it's beautiful, y'all. When I say I love this packaging, do you see the beautiful purples with the little pop of teal in there? I love the palette. Now when I look at this palette, I feel like I can get some more daytime wear colors over here, and then I can get some more nighttime wear colors on this side. Now, one thing I will say about this palette is I bought the palette because of the purples. You know, I love the purples. I wish they would have made at least one of these deeper shades a matte, because these are all these from here to here are shimmers. So I kind of wish one of them would have been a matte on that purple end. Just like you have a matte here on the more toned down end. Yes, I actually have 1, 2, 3 mattes over there. Now, I guess if you were looking to just like use these purples just on the lid and then do some matte shades around it with just these colors, you could do that, especially if you're a beginner. But if you're looking at this palette and you're a purple lover and you want a heavy purple eye, then you're going to have to work with all those shimmers on the end. You're going to have to work with a lot of shimmers. Now, I think I only used 1 matte, really. No, 2 in this look. And I was able to get it to come out the way that I wanted. Was it the easiest? No. Was it the hardest? No. But if you're not a fan of working with shimmers like in your transition area and multiple shimmers on top of, you know, in your eye look, because some people only do a shimmer on the lid, but if you're going to do like 2 or 3 different shimmers on your eye look so you can have that richness and have that, what's the word I'm looking for? Texture type look, then you might not want to deal with that, you know, pick this up, because all those purples are shimmer. Are they beautiful colors? Yes, y'all. These colors are so beautiful. And I know a lot of people's like, oh my God, why is this color? Why they put this color? Why they put this color in there? Do you see why? It's actually one of my favorite shades so far. I love, what is it called? Lucid? Yeah. I love this shade. This pop of green, y'all, is so beautiful. So beautiful. I really like it. Now, as far as my recommendations on this palette, for me, of course, I love purple. I don't mind working with shimmers. So for me, I am happy to have it. If you are a newbie, I would suggest that maybe you use the matte colors and then you just pop these shimmers on the lid. Then if you like purple, it will be worth it. But if you're someone who likes a nice heavy purple eye look and you don't like working with a whole lot of shimmers, then I say it wouldn't be a palette to pick up. So those are my thoughts and my first initial thoughts, because this, I just got it. My initial thoughts on this palette. I will be using this palette again on Wednesday, so my thoughts, might change by Wednesday. Who knows? We'll see. Come to my Wednesday live at 7 o'clock Eastern, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, and you'll find out. But y'all, this is it. I like the palette. I enjoy the palette. I'm glad I have her in my collection. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments section. And if you're not following your girl on Instagram, I need for you to follow me on Instagram. Y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this. And to all of my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life. Yeah, it's Lori's life.